I'm about to play Smash. Trying to get some cash. I'm gonna get a Rash. Hey, it's Rash Balash.
Yo, 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 what's up, everyone? It's your boy, Rash Balash. Doesn't matter, you know what? Now the lighting's looking great. You know, we got the Christmas music in the back, so you can date this video, basically. I don't care if you copyright me, YouTube. Do it. See if I care. But, you know, I have to respond to my, my fellow goon-tuber, Professor Parkour1's challenge to do the Saltines, as many as you can in a minute. Crap, I need a timer. We got a timer for 1 minute.
He's been hydrating, guys. He has been hydrating all night.
No, I have not. I do have to pee though. Alright, 1 minute. Let me kick these out a little bit.
Hey.
What? Alright, we got 8 saltine crackers on here. Do I think I can do that? Hell no, but it doesn't matter.
It's contest.
Stop! Oh my god.
Well, that one's welcome.
Everyone will think you have like behaving problem. Everyone comes and bothers you.
Well, okay, here's the timer for 1 minute. Alright, 3, 2, let me turn on the sound so you guys know I'm not cheating, because I'm no cheater. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. I beat Professor Parkour1. You know, I was on my 7th one, and my mouth was dry as heck from the beginning, so I know I can do better. So, you know, I'm gonna hold out and see how Professor Parkour1 responds to this, and you know, return better and faster than ever. See ya.
This is the best day of my life. I met Rash, the really famous YouTuber.